Many a times we come across the phrase tiger economies when we are going through economy. So what are these tiger economies? Tiger economies are a group of 4 countries, namely Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea and Taiwan, which have seen a tremendous economic growth, a rapid and tremendous economic growth since the 1960s. So what were the factors which made these countries stand apart from the rest of the world? These countries were mainly dependent upon foreign investment, foreign income inflows, and while also focusing upon industrialization and exports. Of these 2 countries, Hong Kong and Singapore have become the financial hubs outside the traditional financial centers of the world, namely New York and London. Whereas the other 2 tiger economies, that is the South Korea and Taiwan, they have rather focused on industrialization, and that too in electronics, which is visible in the way South Korea and Taiwan dominate the sphere of electronics in modern world. Apart from these things, these countries have also focused upon investment in human development policies like education, health, which can create a population of human resource which is very important in economic growth. All these factors together have made these 4 countries stand apart and become the tiger economies of Southeast Asia.